Okay, now we have the database. We want to get time. We're going to get the current time using the chrono part and interrogate our database to get the literary quote from our time. Now we need to write the getClock data function. It will be a public function. Okay, and we'll have the parameter for the DB file name and the current time we want to get. Okay, datetime local. Okay, and it will have a result that will be okay, with a small e. That will be a lit clock entry, and you could also get an error. Let's write the lit clock entry structure. Should be straightforward. Add it to the beginning. Of course, this is just a neat toy example. You can structure this program better, separate the data and stuff like that, do it in more files, but just something fun you can throw in. Not a professional application. Now, paragraph, author, title, and link. And this should be it for the clock entry. Now we need to populate it from our lit clock database. So it should be just a small select, but not really. We will handle the case where we don't have that particular time in the DB, and we'll try to match with the closest value. So we're going to do a connection to the lit clock DB and just prepare a statement. Select. We will select all times we have in the database. So distinct time as t from lit time, and we will order them so we can actually do a really simple algorithm to get the correct time. Now we will collect the result with a shorthand query here that only gets the value. Okay, we don't need a separate structure, so we are going to write it as a template. And now query map, and then map all the results to the actual values. Match x. For OK, we will have the actual value, and for an error we will have 0. We shouldn't be getting an error, but maybe some better handling on this case. So now we are going to collect it into an array. So we have an array of 32. What is happening here? Incompatible types, because I think I messed up with the parentheses. Looks okay. Okay, no reason to do this, I guess. And now okay. Yeah, anyway, also we need to okay, I'm just going to not worry about this and copy paste it. Okay, from a previously written version. It was a problem with the parentheses and I don't feel like debugging parentheses right now. So let's continue. So we search the number, we convert the hour and minutes to the thing we did in the DB when we populated it. Okay, and we are going to go through the available times and do a rfind on the iterator, of course. So search from the right for the number. Search from for the first number that is lower than the number we searched. Okay. Minute should not have a parameter here. And now we have the result. We will check that we have something, of course. So sum equals find results. And we're going to set our number to the rfind stuff. There is because we didn't output result. Okay. Everything looks okay. Yeah. Raster started crashing. This happens sometimes. Let's do a build quickly. Since we have a use from somewhere. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway, let's continue writing this so we can get a result out. We are going to prepare a statement that will select text, author, title, and link. And time, of course, from literary time, where time is this thing we populated. Okay, now clock entries we get from this. Okay, results where we are going to be a vector of calculate a result of literary clock entries. Felt like writing the type here, don't know why. And we are going to query map this, give it the number we're searching for, and our row. We're gonna populate a literary clock entry from this. Paragraph is going to be row 0. Author is going to be row 1. Title is going to be row 2. Link is going to be row 3. And guess that's about it. We don't really need the time. Now we're collecting it, and we're going to use a random function to pick an item from this array. So we display it. Random thread RNG should be it. But of course we need to use this to add the use for the random. So if we have a result, have a pick, we are going to see if this is okay, of course, because it's a result, and then we're going to return a clone of this string. Otherwise, we're going to return an error saying that it's an invalid result. So we have no time. The string. Well, another parenthesis mess. Okay, I did the string parentheses. Okay, the only problem is that literary clock doesn't have clone implemented, I think, and we need to add it so it can be cloned. So derive clone. This should be it. Yeah, so everything looks okay. Just print a line here so we know we did good. So the time, paragraph, and all the jazz. How many parameters do I have? Okay, I'm going to write each one on a line. This is just for this debug. We're going to remove it and replace it with a GUI. Graphical interface. Okay, and the link. Is it enough? Cargo build. Since we have this use, I don't even remember writing. Let's see. Let's just delete it. We don't need this. Okay. Cargo build. Okay. Let's print also the title, of course. I almost forgot the title. And cargo bill again. Cargo run. Nice. The train traveled well, and all 9:30, looking out the window, I saw the towers and spires of a great city. Anthony Hope, the prisoner of Zenda. And we have the link. So it seems to work.